welcome back, guys. So my wife got some of this again from Kohl's. She picked up some of the 4th of the July accessories, but the one that we got right now is this is a Portland Sophia Korean white Mortar and then Pestle set. And then the second item, this one is the Chinese checker. This is a Chinese checkers game by John and Hansen Company. It was supposed to be retail for $26.99 for this one, but it was on sale for $23.99. But my wife, she used her cold cash and also some of the discount additional coupon. So I'm not sure what it came down to. So, and this one is $24.99. Markdown is $16.99. Actually, she spent like $114.34 for multiple items, but some of the other product will not come in until either Sunday or next Monday. So let's go and then unbox 2 of this and then show you guys what she got. Let's go and then open this first. So it is upside down. I think there's an invoice in here. So yeah, here's the SKU number and then a UPC, product description, and that's the price. Wow, got this nice box, and then the rest of them just popcorn or the peanut. So this is Sophia Conrad. Give you guys a 360 view of the box real quick. And this is made in China. Let's go and then open this up. So right here is a glossy finish, and then right here is flat. So then, unfortunately, there's some of the paint right there. I'm not sure it's gonna come out, and one right here. And this is how you grind. You could grind, I don't know, smash anything, avocado, or any of the medication or pills. You need to crush it to become powdery or whatever that you're making. Let's go and then open this Chinese checkers. Invoice. So yeah, this is a classic game collection. So it's kind of waste. There's no protection or anything, just inside this box. Classic game collection, Chinese checkers, ages 13 and plus. It's a 12-inch wood board with 6 sets of marble. For 2, 4, or 6 players. You need to have even players. Storage bag and instructions are included. It's warning about the choke hazard if you have kids around. It's not for children under 3 years old. And this is made in China. Same thing on the back. Let's open the flap. This is styrofoam for protection. There's a bag right here in case you go travel or bring to your friend's house or your relatives. Troubleless, not sure what's this. And here are all your different colors of marbles. And then an instruction on how to play it. Let's go ahead and open this up. So this one's like a pearl white. Got the blue, got the clear, you got the jade green, got the yellow, and got this like a, I don't know, peach color. 2, 4, 6. So there's your 6 different colors right there. And then you need to set up on each side. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you need to hop around to the opposite side in order to win the game. So that's one color right there. Oh my god, am I missing one marble? Oh, it got dropped down there. I was like, wow. So anyway, you need to move one at a time, okay? And you get either clockwise or counterclockwise, depends how you guys want to play, but most likely it's clockwise. And then after that, you could hop over, okay, like that. And you could also hop over the other opponents and use it for your advantage, okay? Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in a comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, be safe out there. Peace.